Dear students, welcome to the science class. In the last class, we started with the components of the food chapter. In the previous class, we discussed about the nutrients, nutrition, what are the different types of nutrients, that nothing but carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, refuges, and proteins. As well as we discussed about the test for the proteins, test for the what carbohydrates, and test for the fats. In the last class, we discussed about the what is the purpose of the carbohydrates intaking, what is the purpose of fats intaking, and what is the purpose of proteins intaking. Right? They have different work. They have different importance in our body. For example, for energy purpose, we are going to take the what? We are going to take the carbohydrates in the form of starch or the sugar, or in the form of cellulose. They are going to provide us with the energy. In the same manner, we discussed about the various resources which are going to give us the carbohydrate, as well as fats are they also the rich source of energy. They are going to provide us with lot of energy, but high amount of fats is harmful for our body. Right? It leads to obesity and it leads to the heart related diseases. In the same manner, we discussed about the proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of our body. They are going to build our body. In the growth, they are going to help us. Now today, we came to know about the development of our body, growth of our body, and energy of from where we are going to get the energy. But another important topic is there. Another important thing is there in the food. Another important nutrient is there in the food. That is nothing but the vitamins. Today we are going to discuss about the vitamins. Right? Now, if you take example, we are getting energy. We are full of energy now, and we are getting growth. Now, what happens if any disease comes? Why we are going to get diseases? And I think disease is going to come to us. How the disease is getting prevented by our body one day? Now, a lot of diseases are going on. Diseases are going on, but everybody is not suffering from diseases. Only some of few people are suffering from the disease, but all of them are not suffering from the disease. Right? In the same manner, what is preventing that disease to come to us? Which nutrient is preventing that disease? That nutrient is nothing but the vitamins. Vitamins are going to prevent the diseases. Right? Low amount of vitamins leads to diseases. High amount of vitamins are going to destroy the disease which is present, which is going to come to us. For that reason, vitamins are very, very important. So then we are going to discuss about the vitamins one by one points. Right? First point is vitamins are required by our body. Since vitamin is very good nutrient, to prevent from the diseases, we require what? We require vitamins. Vitamins are going to help us with the prevention of any disease which is going to give us more immune power, so that we can resist the diseases. We can resist anything which is going to come to us. Right. The second point, vitamins help in the protection of our body from diseases. Right. Vitamins are the major cause that are going to protect. They are going to protect us from the diseases, from very much diseases. That from cold it is going to protect us, from fever it is going to protect us. Nowadays there is a pandemic going on. That is nothing but corona. Right, coronavirus. That pandemic, one of the tablets, one of the prescribed tablets for the corona pandemic is nothing but vitamins. They are going to give a tablet of vitamins so that your immune power goes on increasing, so that you can resist the corona. In the same manner, vitamins are going to help us in the protection of our body. They are going to help us in the protection of our body from the diseases. Next point, vitamins help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth, and gums healthy. Right? To have a healthy eye. Our eyes should be good. Our eyes should be visualize everything which is present in our surroundings. It should see the far-sighted people, far-sighted objects, as well as it should see the near-sighted people, near-sighted objects. For that reason, our eyes should be in good condition. For the good condition of our eye, we should intake the vitamins. Vitamins are going to help us with the good conditioning of our good nourishment of our eye. Due to the deficiency of vitamins, eye will be not in good condition. We can't see clearly the objects which are present in front of us. In the same manner, our bones to become stronger. If you have to feel stronger, there should be maximum amount of intake of the vitamins. Maximum amount means required amount. That is, some amount of vitamins we should take. Why we should take? So that our bones become stronger. Right? Due to the vitamin deficiency, our bones become weaker. So that we should take the vitamin for the purpose of bones to become stronger. In the same manner, teeth which we are going to use for the chewing of the food. For chewing of the food, continuously we have to chew those things so that our teeth should be stronger. Our teeth should be stronger to eat everything which is present to eat. For example, we have to eat chicken, mutton, egg, vegetables, everything we have to eat sugar. We have to drink sugarcane juice. For that reason, we have to first remove the covering of that sugarcane by using our teeth only. So that teeth should be stronger. How teeth are going to become stronger? By intaking of the vitamins. Vitamins are going to help us in the strongness, good condition of eye, strongness of bones, the same as strongness of teeth, which is due to the vitamins only. The same as gums which are present beneath your teeth, the teeth which is attached to muscles right below your teeth, that is gum. The gum to become stronger, we have to eat vitamin, we have to intake more amount of vitamins. Right? If gum is stronger, that means teeth is also stronger. That means we can take any food, we can chew any food, and we can easily swallow it by chewing those foods. For that reason, for that purpose, if our teeth, gums, bones, and eye to be good condition, we should intake vitamins. Vitamins are going to help us in these things. Right? The same manner, vitamin-rich food, right? The food which contains maximum amount of vitamins are known as protective food. Is known as protective food. See here. Vitamins-rich food. The vitamins-rich food is known as protective food. Why? If the vitamins are protecting our eyes, bones, teeth, gums, in the same manner, vitamins are protecting us from diseases. They are also protecting us from diseases. That means we can easily call it as protective food. If it is giving us the protection from diseases and it is giving us the protection from damaging of eyes, bones, teeth, and gums, and since we can easily call it as what? As protective food. Whatever food which is in vitamin rich, it is known as protective food. Next, vitamins again further classified into 6 vitamins. There are 6 groups of vitamins, namely as vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin A, vitamin K. Right? These are the 6 different vitamins. They are going to have a proper functioning. They have different functioning, so that our body is protected from the diseases as well as our body feels stronger. So there are different vitamins have different work, and different vitamins have different resources they are going to come from. And there are how many are there? There are 6: A, B, C, D, and E, and K. They have different proper functions. Now, apart from these 6 groups of vitamins, another group is there. The group name is known as vitamin B complex. Right? Vitamin B complex is the group of vitamins. Again, there are vitamins B1, B2, B3, vitamin B4, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. Another group of those vitamins is there, that is nothing but vitamin B complex. In that group, all the vitamins B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, and B12 comes in the group of vitamin B complex. Right? Apart from these vitamins which are important, there is another group is there, that is nothing but vitamin B complex. Right? I hope this is clear. Why vitamins are important. Now we are going to see one by one what is the purpose of vitamins, how they are going to help us. Right? How they are going to help us. Which vitamin are going to help in which category? The first example is vitamin A helps in the eye. The vitamin which is going to help our eye, a good nourishment of our eye, to see the things, to visualize the things clearly, vitamin A is necessary. Vitamin A is necessary. It is going to help us in the good conditioning, good nourishment, good seeing of the eye. It is going to help us in the eye. Which one? That is vitamin A. Right. In the same manner, vitamin C helps in the fighting many diseases. Right. Vitamin C is going to help us in the fighting various diseases. We have to fight various diseases. Now number of diseases very high. So we have to fight by our body, by our own. If we have to fight those diseases by our own, we should have the vitamin C intake more. We should intake more of the vitamin C, which is going to help us in the fighting those pandemic diseases, their number of diseases. In the same manner, vitamin D helps in the usage of calcium of bones for bones and teeth. Already we discussed that vitamins are going to help us in the strongness of our bones as well as strongness of our body, teeth, everything. It is going to help us in the bones and teeth. Now bones and teeth to become stronger, it should require calcium. It required calcium, right? Because they are made up of calcium carbonate, so they require more amount of calcium. Now more amount of calcium will be there in our body, but how to intake, how to use this? That calcium for the purpose of bones as well as teeth. It is used by the bones and teeth by help of vitamin D. By the help of vitamin D, which is going to help us in the usage of the calcium for the bones and teeth. And one of the rich source for the vitamin D is the sunlight at the morning time, at the early morning time. It is going to provide us with high amount of vitamin D. Vitamin D. For that reason, we should wake up early. Why should we wake up early? So that we should go in presence of sunlight, early morning sunlight, so that we can get more amount of vitamin D, more amount of vitamin D, which is going to help us in the strongness of our bones as well as teeth. So we are going to become stronger. So that from tomorrow onwards, we should wake up very early for the purpose of vitamin D. Right? These are the works of the vitamin B, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, and there are other vitamins are there. Vitamin B is also there, vitamin E is also there, vitamin K is also there. They have different functions. Vitamin K is going to help us in the vitamin K is going to help us in the blood. It is going to help us in the blood. Clotting of the blood is happening because of the vitamin K. The clot of the blood is going to happen because of the vitamin K. When you suffer from an injury, the injured should be recover. How it is going to recover? Due to the clotting of the blood in this part. How the clotting of the blood is going to happen? It is going to happen because of the help of the vitamin K. Right? These are the main purpose, main importance of the vitamins. Right? I hope this is clear. What are vitamins? Why they are required for the protection of our body? Why they are useful in eye, bones, teeth, and gums? Because by vitamins, all those things have become healthy. In the same manner, why vitamins are called as protective food? Because they are going to protect us from the diseases. In the same manner, how many vitamins are there? A, B, C, D, E, and K. These are the 6 groups. Apart from that, there is another group of vitamins that is nothing but vitamin B complex. Right? These are the 3 vitamins are important, which are going to help us in the eye. Vitamin A is going to help us in the eye. Vitamin C is going to help us in the many diseases. And vitamin D is going to help us in the usage of the calcium for the bones as well as teeth. Now, apart from that, we have to see the various sources. We came to know about that vitamins are very essential. They are very, very important for the purpose of the growth of the body, protection of our body. If that's so, from where we are going to get the vitamins? From which source we are going to get vitamins? From which type of food, if we intake, if we eat, we are going to get the vitamins so that we will become stronger. So then, the sources of vitamins are different. We have a number of sources for the vitamins. We are going to check one by one. For vitamin A, we can either take milk. Milk is the source of vitamin A. Due to the intake of the high amount of milk, it is going to make us stronger, healthier, muscles will build, and we will become intelligent. Apart from that, milk is also going to help us in the good conditioning of eye because it is rich in vitamin A. It contains vitamin A, which is going to help us in the good conditioning or good nourishment of eye. In the same manner, fish oil, fish fry or fish oil, If we intake the fish oil, it has the rich source of vitamins, that is nothing but vitamin A. It is also going to help us in the intelligence as well as it is going to help us in the vitamin A. By it is a rich source of vitamin A. In the same manner, papaya fruit is also a rich source of vitamin A. Carrot, you should eat carrot regularly so that your eyes should become very fluent. It should become very clear. It should be very healthy. So that we should eat carrot, mango, papaya, milk, and fish oil. These are the rich source of vitamin A, which are going to help us in the eye. Right? In the same manner, vitamin B. Vitamin B has the rich source in wheat, liver, and rice. Liver of animals, wheat from wheat fields, and rice. These are the rich source of what? Vitamin B. As well as these are the rich source of the carbohydrates. If you remember the previous class, wheat, rice, and livers are the rich source of the carbohydrate. They are going to provide carbohydrate for energy purpose as well as protection as vitamins, as vitamin B. Right? In the same manner, vitamin C, which is helpful for the what? Fighting the diseases. Which is helpful for the fighting many diseases. Now, various sources are there for vitamin C. Those are nothing but first is orange. Orange is the rich source of vitamin C. Tomato, it is also rich source of vitamin C. Guava, which is also rich source of vitamin C. Green chili and amla and lemon. These are the rich sources of vitamin C. Together we can say that rich sources of vitamin C will be citric fruits. Citric fruits nothing but which are have the citric acid. That is nothing but which are sour in taste. Which are sour in taste. For example, lemon, which is sour in taste. Orange, guava, tomato, green chili, all are sour in taste. Right? If they are sour in taste, they are rich in the vitamin C. By this we can say that vitamin C resource will be citric fruits. So in this way you should remember various sources of the vitamin C should be remembered. For that reason, we should eat more amount of oranges, tomatoes, guava, green chili, amla, lemon. Why? If we eat those things, our immune system goes on increasing. Why? It is rich in vitamin C. If immune system becomes stronger, we are going to fight many diseases. There will be no more diseases we are going to suffer from if we intake this food items in high amount. Last but least one, vitamin D. Vitamin D is going to help us in the what? Usage of calcium for the purpose of bones and teeth. Our bones and teeth to become stronger, we should intake the what? Vitamin D. And what are the resources of the vitamin D? One is milk. Milk is a resource of vitamin A as well as vitamin D, as well as carbohydrate as well as fats. See how many usages there are of vitamin milk, right? And milk is also a resource of vitamin D. In the same manner, butter, it is going to provide us with vitamin D. Liver, it is also going to provide us with vitamin D. Egg is also going to provide us with vitamin D. In the same manner, fish is also going to provide us with vitamin D. I hope this much is clear about the vitamins, why vitamins are required, which are the sources of the vitamin, why should we intake vitamins so that we protect our body from the diseases. Right. And next, nutrient is nothing but minerals. Right. Apart from vitamins, minerals are very important. Minerals are going to make us stronger. Our bones become stronger in presence of the minerals. We become stronger. We become very active. So that minerals are required. Minerals are very essential. So that we have to study about the minerals. What is the purpose of the intaking of the minerals? So we are going to see one by one. Minerals are also important in our health conditions for our body. To become a healthy person, to become very healthy, to become very active, minerals are very required. To become stronger, minerals are required. Right? How it is required? For example, here is iron is given. Iron is necessary for the blood. Right? Iron is necessary for the blood. Taking a high amount of iron is necessary for our blood to circulate correctly. Blood to work properly, it needs iron. Right? Blood contains some hemoglobin. The pigment hemoglobin is nothing but it is the major reason for the blood to become red. If the more the blood red, it is more stronger. So there to blood to become more stronger, more active. We need what? Iron. Right? Iron means we directly not going to eat the iron particles. The iron which is present in the food particles we are going to eat, take it, not the direct we are going to take. So remember those things. We have to take iron only by the food particles which are present in the food items. In the same manner, calcium for the bones. We require calcium for the bones as well as teeth. Right? Calcium to become bones and teeth to become very strong. We require what? Calcium. It is also mineral. In the same manner, iodine for the thyroid gland. The gland which is present in the neck side. To work properly, it requires iodine. Right? This thyroid gland is going to control all the metabolic activities. For that purpose, it requires proper functioning of the disc gland. That is nothing but thyroid gland. What it requires? Iodine. Iodine is also a mineral. In this way, minerals are very, very important. Now some sources of the minerals. Now some sources of the iodine which is required for the metabolic activities of the thyroid gland. So it is present in the ginger. Right, iodine is present in the ginger, it is present in the salt, as well as it is present in the fish. In the same manner, some sources of the phosphorus. Phosphorus is a very essential mineral. It is also very essential mineral for the purpose of human body, which is present in the banana, chili, and milk. Which is present in the banana, chili, and milk. Which one? Phosphorus. In the same manner, the rich source of the iron will be apple, vegetables, liver. Right? Apples, vegetables, and livers are the rich source of the iron. That's why doctor said a apple keeps a doctor away. There is a saying, a apple keeps doctor away. What making apple that much important? Because it is rich in iron. Why iron-rich food is very important? Because our blood requires iron. If our blood is healthy, then we are also healthy. For that reason, we should eat apples regularly. This is going to give us iron mineral. In the same manner, some sources of the calcium. Calcium is going to help us in the teeth and bone building. Some sources of the calcium are egg and milk. For that reason, who eats egg is going to get rich in protein as well as rich in the calcium, and he will become stronger. His muscles will become stronger, his bones will become stronger, and his teeth will also become stronger. That's why we should have a diet of egg also. Regularly we have to eat egg to become stronger. Right? These are all the minerals. How they are going to help us and the resources of the minerals. Next we are going to discuss about the another nutrient which is present is roughage. It is nothing but roughage. Roughage, another name for roughage is commonly known as dietary fiber. It is a dietary fiber which we are going to use for the purpose of the cleaning of the undigested food. Now we will see one by one what is roughage used. It is commonly known as what? It is commonly known as dietary fiber. It is provided by the plant products only. From where we are going to get their dietary fiber? We are going to get their dietary fiber from only from the plant product. We are whatever we are going to eat, that vegetables, any of the plant product, it contains dietary fibers. And which are the resources of the dietary fiber? Whole grains, the grains which are coming, the items which are coming in the grains category are rich in the dietary fiber. In the same manner, pulses, potatoes are rich in the dietary fiber. Fresh fruits, vegetables are the sources of the roughage. That is nothing but the dietary fiber. Now, what is the work of dietary fiber? Why we are able to utilize the dietary fiber? It is going to help us in the cleansing of the digested food, undigested food. It is going to help us in the get rid of undigested food. Right? It is going to help in the get rid of the undigested food. Which one? Dietary fiber. It is going to get rid of the undigested food. In the same manner, it is not a nutrient. Remember, it is not a nutrient, but helps in those things to get rid of undigested food. For that reason, it is essential for our human body. Last but one is water. Why water is essential for our human body? Why we should intake water? Right? We know about the carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, proteins, and fats. Last but not least, water. Why water is important? Water helps in the absorption of the nutrients from the food. Right? Whatever we eat, whatever we food eat, in that food we have a number of nutrients. That nutrients should be absorbed in our body. How they are going to absorb in our body? By the help of the water. Yeah, water is going to help us in the absorption of those nutrients in our body. In the same manner, water is also going to help us in the throwing out the waste as urine and sweat. Right, whatever waste which is present inside our body after the proper functioning, those waste can be thrown out. How it is going to thrown out? Which is going to thrown out by the help of water. How? In the way of one is urine. In the form of urine, the waste is going to thrown out by the help of the water. In the same manner by the sweat. Sweat is also in the what? It is the wastage of our body, which is throwing out with the help of the water in the form of sweat. These are all important components of our food. Some are very essential, some are very essential. So that together these nutrients combine a food, and those nutrients are going to help us in the growth of our body, healthy body. Right, in the next class we are going to see further sections of this chapter. Up to that point, thank you, take care, see you in the next class.